75 interesting facts about Neptune. Mythology and gods. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea, known in Greek mythology as Poseidon. Poseidon/Neptune was the brother of Zeus, Jupiter, and Hades, Pluto, ruling the sea, horses, and earthquakes. Neptune was worshipped by sailors and those seeking safe passage across the seas in ancient Rome. The trident is Neptune's iconic weapon, symbolizing his dominion over the oceans. Neptune was known for his volatile personality, often associated with storms and earthquakes. Poseidon's Greek counterpart, Poseidon, was also associated with horses, often called the tamer of horses. In Greek mythology, Poseidon created horses, symbolizing both strength and agility. The symbol for Neptune is a stylized trident, representing power over the sea. In astrology, Neptune represents dreams, intuition, illusions, and the subconscious. Neptune's association with water ties it to themes of depth, emotion, and transformation. The Romans celebrated Neptune in the festival Neptunalia, held in July to honor water sources during drought. Poseidon fathered many mythological creatures, such as the Pegasus and Cyclops. Ancient Greeks saw Poseidon as both a protector and destroyer, reflecting the dual nature of the sea. Neptune's connection to water extends to emotional depth and mystery in astrology. In Roman mythology, Neptune's wife was Salacia, a goddess of saltwater. Poseidon was depicted riding a chariot pulled by sea creatures, often hippocampi, horsefish hybrids. Neptune and Poseidon's roles sometimes overlap with rivers, oceans, and even fresh water deities. As god of the sea, Poseidon was often called upon to calm waters or invoke storms in ancient prayers. Poseidon was one of the Olympians who sided with the Greeks during the Trojan War. In astrology, Neptune rules Pisces, a water sign connected to intuition, dreams, and compassion. Neptune's connection to water also symbolizes the concept of fluidity and adaptability. Neptune is often seen as a guardian of hidden treasures, both physical and metaphorical. Neptune is associated with both vision and deception, as water can reflect or distort images. Poseidon's temperament was unpredictable, like the ocean itself, bringing peace or chaos. Neptune's mythological role influenced his depiction in art as powerful, mysterious, and capricious. Film and TV characters. Aquaman, the DC superhero, is heavily influenced by Neptune/Poseidon's mythos as a protector of the seas. In Percy Jackson novels, Poseidon is Percy's father, granting him power over water and sea creatures. The Little Mermaid features King Triton, a character inspired by Poseidon with his trident and ocean rule. Sailor Neptune from Sailor Moon is a character with powers based on the sea and intuition. Wrath of the Titans, 2012, features Poseidon as a Greek god aiding in the battle against chaos. Disney's Hercules includes Poseidon in the pantheon of gods as an ally of Zeus. Sinbad and other seafaring tales often include characters or references to Poseidon's domain over the sea. In Pirates of the Caribbean, the Trident of Poseidon is a powerful relic capable of controlling the seas. Clash of the Titans features Poseidon as one of the powerful deities assisting Zeus. The Neptune Factor, 1973, is a sci-fi movie exploring underwater dangers, inspired by the mysterious depths. Star Trek references Neptune when discussing unexplored territories within the solar system. Justice League comics feature Poseidon-inspired deities with powers over water. Marvel's Namor the Submariner channels the energy of Neptune as the king of Atlantis and master of water. Futurama includes episodes that reference Neptune, depicting it as a cold, distant world. In Rick and Morty, Neptune is humorously referenced during intergalactic space travel. The Outer Limits explores Neptune in speculative stories involving mysterious oceanic life. Doctor Who mentions Neptune as a part of human colonization in distant future episodes. Star Wars indirectly references Neptunian themes through its water-dominated planets like Mon Cala. Transformers comics have characters exploring Neptunian territories in their cosmic adventures. The Expanse TV series explores Neptune's potential for resources, representing human curiosity. Lost in Space mentions Neptune in discussing the outer reaches of the solar system. Halo and Mass Effect games both include missions near Neptune, symbolizing exploration of unknowns. Stargate references Neptune as part of intergalactic navigation and deep space knowledge. Space Odyssey 2001 mentions Neptune in exploring deep space travel to the outer planets. Neptune's Daughter, 1949, is a classic film that celebrates themes of water, beauty, and mystery. Comic book characters. Aquaman in DC Comics, whose domain over water connects him to Poseidon, is considered a son of Neptune. Marvel's Poseidon is a god figure representing sea power and unpredictability. The Sandman series references oceanic gods, connecting to Neptunian themes of mystery and depth. Young Avengers occasionally explores characters with powers symbolizing water and mystique. In Wonder Woman comics, Poseidon appears as one of the ancient gods with dominion over the ocean. Thor comics include references to sea gods and mythical water powers, mirroring Neptunian traits. Green Lantern includes a character resembling Poseidon in his depiction of water-based powers. X-Men features Iceman and Storm, who wield elemental powers related to water and atmosphere. The Authority comics portray characters with traits linked to Poseidon's control over natural forces. Silver Surfer explores characters with water-like adaptability and Neptunian mystery in Cosmic Tales. Animals, chakras, weather, and materials. Neptune is associated with the throat chakra in astrology, symbolizing communication and intuition. The throat chakra connection links Neptune to expression, creativity, and the power of words. Neptune's atmosphere consists mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, giving it a blue color. Methane in Neptune's atmosphere absorbs red light, reflecting blue wavelengths, giving it a deep azure color. Neptune experiences the fastest winds in the solar system, with speeds up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. A massive storm, known as the Great Dark Spot, was observed on Neptune, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune's dynamic weather includes large storms, high winds, and fluctuating temperatures. Ice clouds and methane clouds create a mysterious and stormy Neptunian atmosphere. The Neptunian magnetic field is unusual, tilted 47 degrees from the planet's rotational axis. Neptune's strong gravitational forces and icy environment make it the coldest of the gas giants. Human anatomy and symbolism. In astrology, Neptune is associated with the pineal gland, connecting to intuition and the subconscious. Neptune's energy is often linked to the immune system, symbolizing fluidity and adaptability. Neptune is associated with dreams and sleep and astrological symbolism, much like the brain's dream centers. Neptunian influence in astrology is tied to illusions and perception, often linked to the concept of seeing beyond reality. In astrology, Neptune governs creativity, intuition, and the emotional depths, often symbolizing a bridge to the spiritual. These facts highlight Neptune's powerful influence across mythology, popular culture, science, and symbolism. With its mysterious beauty, complex storms, and mythological roots in the god of the sea, Neptune is a source of fascination in various fields.